Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A15 apps not working issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps scroll down and from here open a app and then go to the storage of that app. Now after opening that app and going to its storage, clear the app data and cache memory of that app, and then go back to settings and from here open battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update. And then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after that go back to settings again and click on general management. Now in general management scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset all settings. And then again click on reset settings to confirm. And after that enter your lock screen passcode here.